Hello YouTube. Coffee, how much to drink so as not to harm your health? Moderate coffee consumption has a positive effect on health. But its excess can cause a number of unpleasant ailments, which is associated with the content of stimulating caffeine. Many of us cannot imagine a morning without the cup of invigorating and beloved coffee. Caffeine stimulates the brain to work efficiently and temporarily reduces symptoms of fatigue. These are some of the many positive effects of caffeine, but drinks containing caffeine can also be hazardous to your health. Caffeine and its positive effects on health. Caffeine is a natural plant compound. It is found, among other things, in the leaves of the tea plant, cocoa seeds or the fruits of the coffee tree. Drinking coffee and tea has become so popular that almost 90% of adults consume caffeine every day. Many studies highlight the positive effects of drinking coffee on the functioning of the body. A moderate amount of caffeine at a dose of 100 to 400 milliliters per day, 1-4 cups, has beneficial effects on the body, including improves the functioning of the nervous system, reduces fatigue, increases physical performance, facilitates the memorization of new information, improves concentration, stimulates digestion, increases thermogenesis, that is heat production in the body, enhances fat burning. If you drink a little black coffee after breakfast, you can get a lot of benefits. The drink relieves fatigue, has a positive effect on the heart, reduces the risk of developing cardiovascular diseases, helps to maintain a slim figure and reduces the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Coffee overdose symptoms, when to say stop. Small amounts of caffeine and the antioxidants found in coffee can have a beneficial effect on the body, but you should not overdo it. Excess drink can have a negative effect on the cardiovascular and nervous systems. If you have noticed the following problems in yourself, it's time to think about how to replace coffee or, at least, reduce its amount. Sleep problems. Over time, our body can get used to many things. Therefore, regular caffeine intake in moderation should not disturb your sleep. However, drinking coffee just before bed can make it harder to fall asleep, impair the quality of sleep, and significantly reduce its duration. Rapid heartbeat, after a cup of coffee. A rapid heartbeat after drinking coffee may indicate a not very good caffeine tolerance, or rather, an increased sensitivity to it. If you notice the appearance of a similar symptom after drinking coffee, you should completely eliminate it from your diet. Feelings of anxiety or restlessness. A small amount of coffee can give you a boost of energy and even improve your mood, but too much caffeine can lead to symptoms such as anxiety and restlessness. Coffee stimulates the production of dopamine, which we experience as an increase in feelings of pleasure. On the other hand, coffee increases the secretion of gastric juice, which can cause discomfort in the gastrointestinal tract. Frequent urination after coffee. Coffee is a diuretic drink that increases urine production. In addition, caffeine promotes the excretion of water from the body, as well as valuable minerals and electrolytes. Therefore, after a cup of coffee, it is recommended to drink a glass of water without gas. Chest pain or shortness of breath. When drinking too much coffee, blood pressure can rise, and as a result, signs of hypertension appear: chest pain, sweating, heart palpitations and shortness of breath. Among other things, caffeine reduces the absorption of zinc and iron by almost 50%, which weakens the immune system. How to reduce the negative effects of caffeine? If we want to reduce the negative effects of caffeine, we must first reduce our intake. Switching to drinks with low or no caffeine may be a good solution. Instant coffee is especially not useful for the body, as the drink may contain additional ingredients. Such coffee is strongly not recommended for people with sleep disorders and cardiovascular diseases. In this case, it is better to switch to coffee and natural beans. The second tip, If you can't imagine life without coffee, increase your water intake per day. Drinking plenty of water regularly helps fight fatigue, improves mood, and boosts energy levels. Also pay attention to the diet. If your day passes with 3-4 cups of coffee, to reduce the negative impact of caffeine on the body, eat more vegetables and fruits rich in vitamin C, iron, magnesium, zinc, and fiber. The recommended daily intake of coffee should not exceed 4 cups of this drink. Too much caffeine can cause symptoms such as headache, trouble sleeping, heart palpitations, anxiety, irritability, frequent urination, chest pain. If you are experiencing any of the above symptoms, you should reduce or completely eliminate caffeine from your diet. It is also worth increasing your intake of water and nutrient-rich foods. Coffee drinkers around the world probably don't think about its health benefits or harms. Yet this drink has been the subject of much controversy. In 1991, the World Health Organization listed coffee as a possible carcinogen. By 2016, he was exonerated as a study found that the drink was not associated with an increased risk of developing cancer. On the contrary, the risk of some cancers decreased among those who regularly drank the recommended amount of coffee. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.